All right. Well, welcome back to the Beyond Maintenance YouTube channel. It's a new start to the year, so let's get this truck up in the air. Boop. A little higher. Boop. A little higher. Boop. There we go. Let's put some mounts on her. Now, you see the frame just pokes out under the door there? Right there. That's what I was trying to level up to. So there's our front mount. We're missing a couple of bolts. There's our back mount. We got all of the bolts in. Everything's snugged up at this point. No, it's not the proper nuts on there. I know I need to get some stovers, but that's quite all right. This is getting it together for now. Using factory locations. Man. And again, 2 bolts when the cab comes off next time. And shout out to my buddy James for punching a couple of them holes in the frame.
What does this mean? Well, I didn't film a whole lot of it. It was just drill some holes, get it done. I had a factory hole on each side for the front ones. Made it real nice for squaring everything up. And now we're on there. Granted, the cab is just a couple of C-clamps holding the piece on right now. Or the cab. The front clip. So that it won't drop. I'm waiting for some help to show up to put the hood on in place to make sure I'm setting this for exactly where I want to be. I think this is where I want it to be. I need a hand for the box to set it on so I can figure out my trim. It was 30 below the other morning. It was 20 something below this morning. So people aren't out and about. I didn't get the help that I was after a couple of days, but that's fine. And that's where we're at. That is where we're at. I like that it's just solid now. What's that over there?
You pointed the wrong way, dummy.
So what we got over here, we're just off the frame on both sides. We do have a little bit of wiggle room if we were to loosen up all of the mounts once we get things off and on a couple of times. Now, this is deceiving that there doesn't look like a whole lot right here and there looks like more here. That's because there is more here. And the reason for that actually lies down here with our steering linkage and our placement of our steering column and our seating position. As well, to go to a bigger tire, it's much easier to make more room on this side than it is on this side. I think I've said that before, but we are I think we're sitting right where we want to be. Not much to do about it now anyways, because I used that part of the frame to line up with the bottom of the cab. And this gave us our factory mounting locations in the truck because it's using the Fargo mount. I've got to probably do have enough room to drill that hole. There's 2 holes on each side that were a little awkward to drill. So when the cab comes off, these were actually the factory tabs on the inside. So, one step closer. It's a big step, actually. A big step indeed. I need to do some shop cleanup. I should have had it done the other day, but I got lazy. So some before pictures, and see you next week for the exciting conclusion.
And showcasing my messy shop. How am I expected to get anything done? I'll fix that right now.